Ciao, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and welcome back to So What's for Dinner with the Mediterranean diet. This is 2-3 minutes for me to show you few examples of the recipes that I have created to use with the DIY meal plan builder for the Mediterranean diet, so you can eat the same way of the people that they live on the Mediterranean basin and they live a healthy and long life. So this is just for you to show you what is coming up when we publish our app. Let's go together around the food and see what I have organized tonight for testing. And I'm going to introduce the menu for tonight. And we're starting with a corn soup. Maybe you can help me to finish this together. So I have a corn soup with onions and jalapeno pepper. So it's a little spicy, and we're gonna finish this with some tomato sauce and a little bit of parsley tonight. We're gonna bring this back to boil. And this will be our appetizer. As you can see, I call this Mexican soup, and I follow my recipes. That's what you're gonna be able to find to download on the website. If you go under the Chef recipes, that's what you're going to be able to find for $1. All the instructions. This is a black and white, but it's available for you in color. So as entree, I have some chicken. Then I'm going to saute in extra virgin olive oil with tarragon and parsley, and with some onions and white wine. I'm gonna finish with chicken broth. I'm gonna make a sauce, and this will be very quick, cooked over here about 7-8 minutes. And then I'm gonna serve it with couscous on the side that I'm going to saute with extra virgin olive oil, garlic, and rosemary. And as a vegetable on the side, I have some Brussels sprouts that I'm going to saute with extra virgin olive oil, onions, and capers. We're gonna start with bread, ciabatta bread for 2 people. We're gonna serve 2 slices each person. You're gonna learn about sizes, grams, and portion with my recipes, and when you will use the DIY meal planner. And I organized 2 dipping sauces, extra virgin olive oil, and the balsamic vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil. So this is a complete meal. The soup is going to be ready in about 2 minutes. And just to let you know, these are not Mediterranean diet recipes, but they are recipes for the Mediterranean diet. There is a big difference, because it becomes Mediterranean diet when it's embedded your weekly meals in the Mediterranean diet pyramid. And stay with me, subscribe on this channel so you can learn a little bit better about the technical parts, how to eat healthy. Don't worry, it's not complicated, because I have organized everything for you. For the moment, at time, eating well, and I'll see you tomorrow for another testing. Ciao!